Alright, here it is. Video.
We'll do some at the rapids and we'll switch back on
June 18th. Smith weekend.
Pocahontas return.
Heading down.
Shit got real.
Heading down the river, yo. Yes, 360-degree view right there.
I hope there's a waterfall at the end of this.
Whoa, shit.
Water 60 degrees.
It's fucking freezing.
My ball sack.
Uh-oh, there's a rock.
We're gonna fight. This is better than the.
Hey, there's a waterfall. Look at that shit.
What is that?
See it?
What?
Look. Yeah, that's a lot lower than where we are right now. Oh, we're gonna keep this shit rolling until we get over that.
Yep.
My ass is already numb, yo.
Yeah, it's perfect. Now we won't feel it anymore.
So I guess I'm gonna spin around again because
That's supposed to go backwards.
I can't stop. I can't stop anyway. Hey, I got fucking stuck over here.